So you want to grow a business with a LinkedIn? In that case, you can use Waxly. Waxly is a very powerful platform. I'm also using this Waxly for my business more than 1 year, and it is doing pretty well. You can see here 440 connections, 79 profile view per day is not bad. This is the accept invite, accept rate is 12%. Few days ago it is 13%. I don't know why it is a drop. I will increase that, not problem. Answer message percentage, I don't know why it is showing 0. I'm getting message. This blue sign is a message I sent, like invite. uh, Pink is showing message I got accepted. Some days good, some days bad. It how it works. You can see UX design is super easy to understand. It's clean. Anyone can just sign it. They begin to use. There is no complicated button here and there. It is easy to understand. Let's go to subscription. You can see subscription is also not that expensive when you compare other two. Yes, Waxy provides you 80 connection per month. But if you want to grow a business or you want to grow your follow, 80 connection is not enough. If you are beginner, then at least get pro. In pro, you get 300 connection per month. You also got follow up AI feature that helps to write good message that can help you to get reply and client for a business. Let's say if you want more invite per month, either you can go advanced or business. If I were you, if you want more feature, then leave advanced, go straight to business. Because in business you will get similar like a pro AI feature, but you will get full loaded CRM system, also email marketing. That is why business is a little better than pro. If you want email marketing too for your business, but if you are just a beginner, then just get pro. The difference between pro and advanced is just you can see it is 300 connection per month, it is 800 connection per month. There is all difference in pro advanced. That's why if you want more advanced, then just get business because you get email marketing, CRM system, etc. Yes, in market there's a ton of in LinkedIn marketing software like a Waxley, but what I am seeing is the people use other software, their account got banned. Maybe they violation LinkedIn rule. I don't know. And if you want to be safe, just use Waxley. I'm using more than 1 year now. I don't have any problem till now. So how to use Waxley? Make sure you sign in Waxy and add the Waxy extension and open your LinkedIn account and just search maybe whatever business you are in. Maybe you are in a dentist, real estate, plumber, car repair. I will just go to dentist and we are inviting people and you can select location like a city or a whole country. I will just select location. This is Australian city. You can see now this is all dentists are from this city, and now you have to make list like list to make list. Now you can import up to 1,000. I will import only 100. I don't want to make long video. Only 10. Just import. Okay, done. Now go to your Wexel account. Start campaign. You can see as a ton of template. You can see just explore which template you like. But you have to remember there are some template require you to business plan. You can see here. It doesn't matter. There is a ton of template. You can just explore and choose which is best for you. If you're a beginner, then just use this invite message. Before you can use just preview, you can see invite, delay, message. And if you like, just go for this one. You can either leave this blank or you can just name it a campaign. Import from our list. Hit next. That is okay. And here we write message like we are writing message for dentist owner. Here you have to write what service you provide. I provide SEO and PPC service. What stand out? Is it done? And here you can write anything like a book now. I will write just a book now or learn more, something like that. Now you can see literally as a AI button here. I wish they remove this check your message as unnecessary. It's just a confusing user. You can see it literally as a blue button here. Just click here. You can see now. You also can add sorry, give. Okay, this is for dentist. This looks pretty good, huh? Okay, this is a dentist. We are writing message. Ever wonder why patient can find you on local search result? I can help dentists like you rank high, attracting leads, growing business, always. We are delivering result for similar business. I propose to discuss how we can benefit. That is looks pretty good. Let's like this message. Confirm. Okay. Now after it send message, it will wait for 5 days. That's good. And I will just select template 2. Sorry. Sorry, this is not. This is 2. I don't want to be more salesy. If you try to do that, you never get message. So one message is enough. Okay. Confirm. This is all I have to do. Now let's launch your campaign. Now it is done. Now your job is to go your home page and see your campaign, how your campaign is doing well. And if you get reply, just go inbox. You don't have to go in a LinkedIn and reply. You can say I'm getting messages. You can just begin to reply here for your client. And okay, we can work together. We can just there. You got all here. They're also adding a ton of new features. You can just explore yourself. It is that easy. It is that easy to grow your business and grow your follow in a LinkedIn. Easy peasy. So guys, hope you like it. What you have seen, and if you have any problem, just uh, comment in the comment section. I do my best in 24 hours reply your problem. And like, comment, share, because comment helps boost YouTube videos, so maybe other people also using how to grow their business from LinkedIn. Hope this business help them. And the upcoming video, I will show you how your SEO can help your business. Also, how to do proper PPC for your business. I also review some software that helps to uh, accelerate your business. Hope you like this video. And yeah, see you next video. Again, thanks for watching this.